Hello everyone, welcome back to Python Challenge for All. Let's see where we were last time. We started with we were playing with Sierpiński triangle, right? First we drew the Sierpiński triangle using recursive calls of a triangle drawing, right? And then we made something like this. Okay, then in lesson next we drew it with L system, Lindenmayer system, okay, using just a very simple rule, two rules, A and B, and then using that we drew Sierpiński triangle as well. Then last time we drew another implementation of L system, which goes to A goes to this and B goes to this. And strangely, it drew a very interesting Sierpinski shape with kind of a smooth continuous path that goes from here to say here and visiting all the say vertices of Sierpinski triangle. Interesting. Okay, let's try another one today. So it's called Chaos Game. Yeah, it's kind of a random process and natural. It's interesting to see that Sierpinski triangle shape emerges somehow. Okay, let's try this. So 137, chaos game. Okay, so let's try that. Let's just follow me. So 137, let's save as 137. Um, say chaos game. Okay, or something like that. Actually, we don't need most of it. We don't need this, else's, draw, uh, most of the things up to here. Okay, so let's uh, delete everything, almost everything. And then, let's see, instead of something else, we import random. So it's a random process. And what shall we do? Prepare a large triangle. So we prepare a large triangle and say specify the three vertices. So it will be like the vertices list consists of say 3 points consisting of say 0 to 50 at the top. Okay. And in the bottom, it's like, say, 125 minus 200. Okay. And then, say, plus 250 and minus 200. Okay. You see, it's a triangle shape. Not necessarily very precise equilateral triangle. It's just close to very big triangle. And then we start from an initial point P inside it. So let's make it, let's use X and Y as initial value 0 and 0. Okay, actually we can try something else, but yeah, let's see that. And then um, we we start as pen up, and then repeat the following steps. Select one vertex V of the triangle at random. So, okay, we can choose any K, which is between, can be either way. Let's see. Okay, let's see. It can be, okay, land int, either 0, 1, or 2. Okay, so this will take either 1, 0, 1, or 2, right? And then take that, the vertex point, x and y, x, vy equals, choose one of these. So VL parenthesis K. So this will pick up either this, or this point and put it into Vx and Vy. And then move to the midpoint between P and V. So P is xy and V is Vx, Vy. So we can calculate the new point, which new x point as x plus Vx divided by 2. Likewise, y equals y plus Vy divided by 2. So these are new xy points. And then t go to x and y and say, put a point here, t dot, say size 3. Yeah, or 0. Let's try 3 and see how it looks like. Actually, that's all. Plot the new point and set it as the next p and go back to the repeat. So it will be like we will do this part as say for I in range. Say let's try it 100 times first. Colon and then yeah, I indent this area, okay? So just by selecting this area and hitting tab, we can do it. Yeah, of course, if you want, you can make it shorter like this. Okay, so let's see how it looks like. Okay. Let's see. Let's see what it looks like to do 1 point and 1 point for 100 points. Turtle as t, rand int. So you see it's working and putting some points. And something is working, but we cannot see it very clearly. But yeah, it's coming very close. It's taking time. So maybe we can, yeah. So you vaguely see something which is familiar to us. So let's do it a little more points. So to do that, we will set t dot tracer false, and then we will say 1000 is and the 100, and then we will take a look at the result every say 100 times. So colon t update. So this will be good. Okay? And of course, at the very end, we will see t update and then done. Okay, so let's see how it looks like. Update. Okay, let's see how it looks like. Oh, it's very close. Yeah, now you see it's working to be triangle. Let's make it 5,000, and see how it looks like. Beautiful. So we're seeing every 100 points, and now it's very beautifully triangle. Of course, we can make it 10,000 times and every 200 points to see how it looks like. So, yeah, strangely, although it's a random process, it's drawing the Sierpiński gasket. It's showing up. So now you see the point. Execution, repeat the process many times to generate points. used to update every, say, 100 or 200 iterations to visualize process. And then we can see that Sierpiński gasket gradually emerges from the random process. It's interesting to see that self-similarity structure emerges from randomness, random process. It's interesting, right? You can check yourself with other parameters, with, say, other points, with other initial points, other triangle setting or initial points, and to see how it beautifully draws the final shape. I hope you like it and come back again. Bye bye.